So today we are opening Disney Doorables, the Nightmare Before Christmas collection. So there are 8 figures inside. And we're gonna get all 8, but there is also a bonus figure. So we got Sally, Jack, I'm guessing this has Jack with a Santa hat on. Barrel, Lock, Shock, Oogie Boogie, the Mayor, and Zero. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And I already took the plastic off ahead of time, so they wouldn't take up extra time. I'll take the door off. So it comes with a sheet. So, oh, Jack glows in the dark, so it shows you who everybody is. Oh, and the mayor's head spins. Okay, so I was right, Santa Jack. And this is just a certificate showing its special issue. So let's go ahead and open the first door. See, that's just a reflection. Like there was something inside. First up, we have, I can't remember, this is Shock. Yes. Super cute. I always love Lock, Shock, and Barrel. They're like my favorites. Hair. Very stringy, very purple. Cool. I'm going to set her over here. Second door. And those bags are easy to open and they're really hard. Next, we have Barrel. I always love how glittery their eyes are. In the back, he looks like the Joker. We shall see. And then finally we have Lock. I like how they're all wearing their masks. They were in the movie. He's even got a little tail. Number 4. Is Sally. Look how big her hair is, like compared to the rest of her body. But I don't know if you can see, she has like this little mark, like her stitches, right up by her eyes. It's like super tiny. Oh, she's super cute. Okay. I'm guessing the double door was what the mystery was gonna be. I mean, a special. So I don't think we got one. We'll keep opening. And here's Jack. And he glows in the dark, and I'll have to see if I can insert at the end of the video him glowing. We'll have to see if I can get it to glow. Pretty cool. Boogie. Another one of my favorites. It would be cool if they had done like the brown Oogie Boogie as well. But I like him green too. I think I like him green better. Oops. But nice. 2 more to go. This piece of cardboard underneath does not stay on super well. We have Zero. Oh my gosh, he's so tiny. I know I was expecting him. I feel like he was gonna be the same size as everybody else, but he's so cute. Oh my god. Zero, I think, is one of my favorite characters. But I feel like he doesn't get much time in the movie. I don't know. His little pumpkin nose. Oh my gosh. So cute. And then last but not least, we have the mayor. Let's see. Oh wait, this is the front of him. Okay. So there he is. Let's see. I'm scared I don't want to break him. Okay, there we go. And then there's this scared face. He was number one of my favorite characters, honestly. But cool, he's got one. He's got one glittery eye. Cool. So let me get all these together and zoom in. So here we go. We've got everyone here, all lined up. I lay them down because I feel like it's easier to see than standing them up and trying to get them at like a low angle. But yeah, here they all are. Hope you put their little certificate up there. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'm hoping to get more. I have some gift cards I can use, but I'm still in school, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. But until then, just keep looking out for new videos. Thanks again.